Hi, quick video. So I was noticing a noise on my variator. Obviously it's all running, it's all fine. But I then came home to check it, and this variator faceplate, it's like totally stuck on, whereas before, as soon as I got that nut off, it would just slide off. Now I can't even see the slider, but it's it totally stuck on. I'm really pulling here, and I was just wondering if anyone's got any similar troubles. Any help, greatly appreciated. I need to get it off so I can get the belt back on. It's just stuck completely. So as I said, any help, massively appreciated. Thank you.